Method 5. Publish a Kindle ebook. Publishing a Kindle ebook is another simple way of generating consistent passive income. Kindle ebooks are published for sale on the Amazon marketplace. Did you know that Amazon.com is the biggest competitor of Google, even more so than any other search engine like Yahoo or Bing? More shoppers try to search for a product on Amazon than on any traditional search engine. When people want in-depth information on a specific topic, they don't search for blog posts on Google, but instead, they try to find a highly recommended book on Amazon. With Kindle ebook publishing, your aim should be to leverage the power of Amazon.com's growing reach and popularity to generate a stable passive income source. Ebook publishing is great for people who have in-depth knowledge of a certain topic or love to do research and explain it in an easily understood form. The skill sets needed to publish an ebook are 1. Ability to provide detailed insights on a particular topic. 2. Ability to provide some extraordinary tips for solving people's problems. Time required. The time required to get started and publish a book depends on the creator of the ebook. What topics he or she wants to cover? How many details does the creator want to include? These are the important factors that define the time required. Here are some useful tips to help you get started. 1. Research, research, and research. It is the key to successful Kindle ebook publishing. Research about what people are looking for in the subject matter related to your ebook's topic. For example, if you are creating an ebook on yoga to lose weight, look for how many people are looking for yoga exercises to lose weight on the internet and Amazon. What are their expectations from a book? You can easily conduct this research by studying the comments, reviews, and popularity of the existing competitors' books on Amazon and other book websites. 2. Write as if you are writing for one reader. When you know your ideal reader, you know how much he or she already knows. You can avoid boring him or her with obvious information, and you can provide exactly the information the reader's looking for. 3. Check out how many people are asking questions on the topic you have chosen using websites such as Quora, Yahoo Answers, and Wiki Answers. The more questions mean more people are looking for answers, and that's a good sign. 4. Look out for the market gaps in your selected subject matter and see whether there's demand for some topic, then see whether your ebook can cater to that demand. 5. Visit Amazon.com and see how many books are present in your selected category. Are people buying those books? This will help you to understand the demand and purchasing ability of the market in your category. 6. Find a few friendly readers who match your ideal reader profile and give them your first draft. Not only will they help make your book better, it will also boost your confidence that your book could do well. Finally, here's how you can earn money on Kindle publishing. Sign up to Kindle Direct Publishing Program. With this, you give exclusive distribution rights for your Kindle ebook to Amazon. This will allow you to sell your ebook in all the countries where Amazon.com is available, giving it massive exposure at launch. Create a small niche site on the related topic and promote your ebook through it. The more ebooks you sell, the more money you make. Thank you for listening to this video on Kindle publishing. I hope you have found it helpful.